All right, today I have a Leica Q3 and I'm going to show you how to adjust the ISO on the Leica Q3. Now there's two different ways and I'm going to show you how to do it. The first one is the quickest way for me. Now what I'm going to do first is I'm going to go ahead and turn the camera on just like that, and if your camera is in its original settings and you didn't make any adjustments to the buttons through the menu, you can go ahead and come over here to this button back here on the Leica Q3. Now when I press this button, you see right there, it goes into this mode right here where it shows ISO and auto. Now you have to be quick because it actually goes off if you don't press anything. So I'm going to press it again. And once I get it to that, I can take this wheel right here, go and press it, take this wheel, and I can adjust the ISO, or I can go ahead and use this joypad right here and go back and forth to adjust the ISO. I can go from 50 and keep on going up to different ISO settings right here, going all the way up to 100,000, okay, ISO. It's going to be plenty of gain. So I'm going to get back into that mode. I'm going to press this, get back into the mode, and make adjustments to the ISO. Now I'm going to go all the way down, and I can actually go into auto right there, where the camera automatically adjusts the ISO based on the lighting outside and the settings that you have in place for different features such as aperture and shutter speed. All right. So that is how you adjust the ISO that way, but there's also another way where you can go ahead and press menu. It goes into this screen right here, and then I can go right here to ISO, click on that, and I can adjust it, the ISO right here. You see that? Going back and forth, adjusting the ISO. Now you see I have other settings such as the shutter, which is an auto selection, and it's adjusting the shutter speed according to what my ISO is at, allowing the amount of light in. And that is how you adjust the ISO on the Leica Q3. I hope this video has been helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.